In example 4, basically doing the exact opposite. Given a graph, what's the function? Um, First thing I would notice is that it's a cube root function since it's going both directions. Um, it is going through the origin, so there is no translations, but it is getting stretched. Um, if it was just cube root of x, it would be 1, 1, but it's at 1, 2. So that means the a value must be 2. So this is y equals 2 cube root of x. We're going to go through a lot of steps here, but yes, I would be writing it as 2 cube root of x. So you can read through those steps if you'd like, but that's the logic behind it. Let's take a look at the try questions. So I want you to give both these a try. So pause it, try it, and come back and check. The first one here I noticed, note how it's scaled. Each block for the x is 2, each block for the y is 1. So when you go over half a block, it's 1 unit on the x, and when you go up 1 block, it's 1 unit for the y. So that means the a value is 1, because when you move right 1, you go up 1. So the a value is 1, so there's no number, there's no coefficient out front. The place where it starts is 5 left from the origin, so it's plus 5 in the radical in the square root, and it's down 4, so it's minus 4 on the outside. So y equals square root of x plus 5 minus 4. Over here, we have, it's definitely a cube root, right, because it's going both directions. The translation is simply just down 2. So there's a minus 2 on the outside. There is nothing on the inside. In order to figure out the a, I thought it was 3 halves, so that's what I wrote. I did check the answer. They have a slightly different answer, and I'll show you what that is. But to me, you go right 1. That looks like it's up about 1.5, so that's why I put 3 halves there. They actually have this as the answer. They have cube root of 4x on the inside, and then minus 2. If you look up the cube root of 4, it's 1.58. So it's about roughly what I had there. There's no way to tell exactly which one it is. So on a practice question, let me know if there's a situation like that where it's impossible to tell just by looking at the graph. Anyway, let's look at the next example.